So I'm gonna clean my room, guys. So I was gonna go to Salon Centric to buy stuff that I need. Well, I already bought most of the stuff, but I needed one more. Because I realized that because I had some left, porque yo lo había usado antes, that same toner, but I realized it wasn't gonna be enough, you know. So I was like, shoot, I think I need to buy more. But they closed at 6, and we went to the tire shop, and it kind of took a while. So I was like, we got here at 5:30. They closed at 6. The way I drive super slow, and I knew I was not gonna make it on time. My dad didn't want to take me anymore because he was like, we're not gonna make it, because there was a lot of traffic, guys, trust me. So he was like, okay. And then we went to Starbucks, and they took a while there. So yeah, by the time we got here, it was like 5:30ish something. So my mom was like, yeah, no, we're not gonna make it. Salon Centric was like on the other side from where we were. So yeah, my rant of the day. Anyways, this is not what we're here for. I'm gonna clean my room because it's kind of a mess. It's kind of a mess, as you guys can see. I just want you guys to help me clean it, or watch me clean it. So we can't forget the music. Who cleans without music? I can't. Me personally, I can't. And then who cleans without coffee? First, I'm gonna organize stuff right here. Anyways, these are the colors that I have. Well, I have way more over there, but yeah, look at this. These are the ones I need for tomorrow. Imagine like I'm in the middle halfway and I'm like, oh, I'm out of toner, we don't have any more. Yeah, no, I'd rather que me sobre a que me falte. You guys know what I mean? Anyways, I did my bed in the morning because every time I wake up I usually do my bed, because I don't like, if I'm like in a hurry or something, I just usually don't. Like, I just wake up, brush my teeth, and then come to my room and do my bed, and that feels so good. The thing I'm gonna do is organize my hair stuff that I'm gonna need for tomorrow, just so I have it all ready. It's like in a corner right here. You guys can't really see, but I'm gonna organize this first with you guys. Okay, so I have everything here. So this is usually everything I need when I do house calls. So I just take whatever I'm gonna use and need, or I think I might need. This is mostly everything. It's kind of a lot, but you know, gotta do my thing. I usually take this bag, but I'm deciding if I want to change it, because it's just like very unorganized if I take it here. So I want to take the bag they gave me at school and put like the tools in there, and then this stuff, put it in the bag, you know. I'm gonna grab the bag right now that I'm telling you. I'll see if that works better than these bags, because these are heavy. Okay, so this is the bag I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the one they gave me at school. Let's see, let's try this out. This is the lightener, and then we can add the peroxide in here. Hopefully it fits though. There you go. And then we can add the processing solution right here. This. And then sometimes I need the water bottle, so we're gonna put this on the side. Okay, perfect. You guys can't see. Okay, this is fitting perfectly fine. And then this is the detangling, the Miracle Creator. I love this thing right here. I love it so much. And then I recently got the Kenra blow dry spray. It's so good too. I love it to blow dry. Okay, I think this is good. And then this is the balayage board. I rarely use it, but we're gonna take it just in case. We have these brushes in here. My clips all clipped in there. I just put on my clips here just so I don't have them all regados and stuff like that. Brushes, just so it's like not too much, you know, just so I can have them all in here. Okay, I'm kind of happy this actually fit all good. Okay, perfect, love this. These I'll put it on the other side. In fact, this is a lot of space. Look, my toners can go in here. Okay, now let's see if this is heavier now. Okay, no, this is perfect. Oh, I'm so happy this fits. So I'm gonna take this. Actually, I'm so happy I decided to order this. Cutesies, super cute. My foils. I have my foils, my long foils, because I usually do balayage often. And then I have my curler. Oh, the spray I showed you guys, that's a heat protectant as well. It has 20 benefits. Leave-in treatment, boosts shine, smoothes the cuticle, helps prevent breakage from brushing, adds moisture. Oh, that's a lot. And then it's a detangler as well. So it's like, on this little bag, I'm going to put this stuff right here. My toner bottle, bow, my shears just in case. Oh, I forgot a toner. Like these just in case the hair doesn't lift the color she wants. So yeah, we're done with this. I finished organizing that. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off all the polvo that's in here that I just put my stuff in. There's a lot of dust in here. Y eso que I dust my room every week. So every Thursday usually I do it. I like dust stuff and clean up all like this, you know.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So this is where the mess is, because this is where I use the most to do my makeup and stuff like that. I have like a bunch of stuff in here. I gotta take off the polvo from here. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Oh my gosh, my coffee is melting. We're gonna take off all these little cutesy stuff.
Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
So now I'm gonna dust it.
My new bitch look like that.
Oh, I have so much cute cards that my boyfriend has given me. They're so cute. I bought this so the heatness of the curler dryer, whatever I'm using, no se pase aquí, and it did. And it did. So if you guys have any recommendations on good strainer match or whatever, let me know, because this one didn't work. That way, and I'll just sweep. Either way, I was gonna sweep anyways, but.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Okay, y'all, so my room is somewhat clean. Excuse the Christmas pillow. I've been having that the whole year. Okay, stop. So my room is somewhat clean now. I'm done. It was better than when it looked, of course. Oh, I forgot to take a before video. That's so sad. I hope you guys enjoyed this little I don't know, I was just trying to do something new for you guys, since I'm always doing the same things and vlogging up, you know, switch it up a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in a vlog or if I'm just gonna do this as a video like by itself. We'll see.